SOLIDWORKS lets you customize your BOM tables with almost unlimited flexibility. I'd like to show you a few common ways to do this. Here, I have a drawing with the BOM table already added. To get started, I can edit the structure of the table by using the Assembly Structure column of the Bill of Materials. To view the Assembly Structure column, click on the arrows on the left side of the BOM. If I right-click on one of the icons, you can see I have the option to exclude the component from the BOM. When I click on it, a window asks me to confirm that I will be removing the component. I'll click OK, and the component is removed. To return it, browse for the component in the feature tree, right-click on it, and select Include in BOM. If I again right-click on a component in the Assembly Structure column, you'll see another new option called Component Options. When I click on it, a pop-up window appears with a couple options. The first option allows me to change the name of the component in the BOM. I can have it set as the document name, the configuration name, or set it to user-defined to enter a different name. Since this is a subassembly, I get a section called Child Component next. If this was a single component, this section wouldn't be visible. Here I can show or hide the subassembly or select Promote to dissolve the subassembly and to view each component by itself in the BOM. Now I can click the green check, and since I had Promote selected, I'll get a message window to confirm that I'll be dissolving the assembly in the BOM. I'll click OK. As you can see, the subassembly is no longer visible, but each of its components is now listed individually. The next section edits how the quantity is calculated. If you have an item that you need included in the BOM, but that doesn't have an exact quantity in the assembly, such as an epoxy, lubricant, or length of a wire, for example, you can edit how the quantity is displayed here. However, you must first have a custom property created for the part. If you don't have any custom properties created for the part, the only option here is None. The drop-down here lets you select any of the custom properties you've created to be displayed in the quantity section of the BOM. It's important to note that you can have SOLIDWORKS automatically link any custom properties that you have defined to the bill of materials, such as the description as well. While I'm on the subject of visibility, when selecting parts in the Assembly Structure column, notice the component or subassembly will highlight in the drawing. Also, selecting a component in the feature tree will highlight it in the BOM. If I hover my cursor over the icons in the Assembly Structure column, a thumbnail preview of the component is shown. Bill of materials can also now be moved between sheets in a drawing. To do this, use the Move icon in the upper left-hand corner to drag the BOM over a different sheet tab at the bottom. You'll see the cursor change to an arrow, and releasing the mouse button will move the BOM. I can also drag and drop a BOM onto a sheet in the feature tree to move it. Just click, drag, and drop over a sheet name. There are a couple more new things I'd like to show you in working with BOMs. Let me switch over to a different design. Here I have a simple assembly with the bill of materials already created at the assembly level. I also have a drawing already created for this assembly. I'll open the drawing and go to Insert, Table, Bill of Materials. I'll choose the assembly view on the drawing sheet. Notice in the Property Manager, I have the option to create a new table or to copy an existing table. I'll choose to copy the assembly BOM. When I do, SOLIDWORKS also displays a checkbox asking me if I'd like this table to be linked to the assembly BOM. If you choose to link your bill of materials, all the data from the assembly BOM will be parametrically linked to the BOM in the drawing. Now you can still format the tables independently, such as the font size, color, height, width, but the data included in the table will be linked. I'll make this a linked table. Click the check and click once more to place the table in the graphics area. If you decide later on that you want to unlink the BOM, simply click the upper left corner to select the entire table and bring up the Property Manager again. You can then uncheck the Link checkbox to unlink the table. One important thing to remember, if you unlink a BOM, you cannot reestablish the link. You have to create a whole new table if you want the link back.